Attorney General Judith Collins says she is, and I quote, really disgusted with the behaviour of a district court judge who confronted New Zealand First MPs at a private event. The Post revealed today Judge Emma Aitken allegedly shouted at Winston Peters, accusing him of lying. Aitkins apologised, but as senior political correspondent Jenna Lynch reports, Collins intends to make a complaint to the Judicial Conduct Commissioner.
A lawyer, a judge and a doctor walked into the Northern Club, and the Attorney General is not impressed.
Do you know, I was really appalled by that behaviour. It is not what I expect from members of the judiciary.
That behaviour, verbally abusing Winston Peters and Casey Costello. While attending a Christmas bash for District Court judges, Judge Emma Aitken and her husband Dr David Geller gate-crashed a private New Zealand First function in a neighbouring room.
In a situation where they're clearly either inebriated or they were just arrogant and offensive.
Aitken allegedly tried to enter the room shouting, "He's lying, how can you let him say that?" While her husband allegedly blocked Peters from exiting, saying, "You're doing a shit job in government."
I'll be writing to the Judicial Complaints Commissioner about this. I think it's very serious behaviour, and whether or not he sees it the same as me, it's not what I expect from a member of the judiciary. Privileged positions, we don't expect that.
It's also alleged Geller asked a staff member of Indian heritage, "Since when did we start allowing Indians to enter this club?"
I'm deeply sorry for the staff at the Northern Club who put up with this. I'm very sorry to New Zealand First, because they were going about their business lawfully, and to have a judge involved in a matter like that, which is clearly a political statement as well, it's entirely inappropriate.
As the ruckus continued, Michael Reid Casey, who represented David Bain, got involved.
You're not a member of Northern Club. You're not a member of Northern Club.
I'm a member of the Wellington Club.
He attempted to enter the room and began trying to take pictures of the attendees.
What about the KC that was involved?
Well, I don't have any power over him, but I do say appalling behaviour.
3 News understands the function was a fundraising event. In a statement, Chief Judge Hemi Tomonu apologised on behalf of the court. The judge accepts that her behaviour on this occasion was inappropriate and rude, he said, and has subsequently apologised to New Zealand First and to the Northern Club. Although I have not received any complaints, I've taken the proactive and unusual step of apologising unreservedly to New Zealand First on behalf of the District Court of New Zealand, the statement reads. I've also made clear to Judge Aitken this was a regrettable, unfortunate and unacceptable series of events, which she accepts. Shane Jones has this year been criticised for being critical of the judiciary.
If it's good enough for me to be chided and put in my place for breaking the law of comity, I want to see reciprocity.
In a statement, Geller said it was a totally false assertion that comments he made that evening were racist or intended to be racist. He unequivocally rejects any suggestion to that effect. He denies blocking Winston Peters from exiting the room, however did acknowledge that to have made any remarks to him there and then was ill-judged.
I said I'm looking at my legal options.
Michael Reid Casey had not provided comment.